Hey everybody, it's Tuesday night.
Yep.
Time to do some pack opening.
Yep.
We've been out of school, working from home.
Yep.
Probably some more weeks of that ahead of us, so we're maybe going to bring some videos a little more often to try to get things going and have some fun opening some cards. So tonight, right gentlemen?
Yep.
Tonight we are going to start with, each boy has a pack of the USA Basketball, the original Dream Team. Our friend Mark Chiquette found those for us, and he gave them to me, and the boys and I want to do these each on a video. Obviously, some say it's the greatest team ever assembled, so we'll Jordan, Bird, Magic, and the list goes on. So who's going first?
Me.
Julian's going to go first. And open those. Then we got one more box of cards we're going to open after that.
I think these ones are very old because they're very hard to open.
Julian's just lost all of his muscles somewhere in the last couple weeks.
I haven't opened cards in a long time.
There you go. All right, what do you got?
So that first card is Charles Barkley.
There you go.
Next card is David Robinson.
Very nice. The Admiral.
Patrick Ewing, I think.
Yep. Very good.
Michael Jordan.
Ooh, nice one.
Karl Malone.
The Mailman.
Chris
Mullen.
Mullen.
Yep.
And what's it? Magic on Mullen. I guess. Oh, that's the same Mullen, but it's just. And Chuck
Daly.
Daly.
Yep, he was the coach.
Yeah.
All right. Jules is pack. Some legends in there. Right? Nope, looks like Sam's lost his muscles too.
No, I have it open.
Oh, all right.
So my first card is, Mike. Don't know his.
That's Mike Krzyzewski, the Duke coach.
Chris Mullen.
Yep.
Magic on Stockton. So.
Yep. John Stockton.
Yep. Scottie Pippen.
Yep.
Irvin Magic Johnson.
There he is.
Larry Bird.
Mm-hmm.
John Stockton.
Very cool.
In the rebounding machine, Charles Barkley.
We talk about him a lot in basketball practice, right? You don't have to be tall to be a good rebounder.
Yep.
Box out. All right, next.
Yes.
We're going to open 2019-20 Select Basketball. Had a few of these boxes and I was going to save them, but figured these are interesting times, so let's have some fun. Let the boys open them up and see what we can get. So Jules is doing the honors of taking the...
We each get 6
So there should be 12 packs in there. You each get 6. Just ahead of time, any good cards can go here carefully on the couch, and then we will
My good pile.
put them in cases.
So we each get six for you and Alright, I'll start.
Yep.
So we have Bradley Beal.
Yep. I'm zooming in on you. Hold them up.
Oh gosh. Jarrett Culver.
Mm-hmm.
Cameron Johnson.
That's cool. Die cut. What's it numbered to on the back?
168 out of 249.
Okay.
Jamal Murray,
Very nice.
and Rudy Gobert.
Very good. Jules?
Pack.
Yep.
See, I didn't lose my mouse. It was the pack. I think I either got the
Okay, go through the pack and we'll find out what you got. Don't jump ahead.
DeMar DeRozan.
Mm-hmm.
DeRozan, I guess.
Yep.
Cameron Johnson, rookie.
Mm-hmm.
I hate these.
Filler cards.
Ooh, I like this card. LeBron James, silver.
Very
You
nice.
can have it because I don't like LeBron James. Steven Adams
Yep. Very
and
nice.
John Wall.
Very good. Sam's turn.
So I have Naz Reid,
Mm-hmm.
rookie. I have top selections, Patrick Ewing.
Yep.
I have this Kevin Porter Jr. like rookie,
Yeah.
rookie
Tricolor.
tricolor, not numbered though. I have Zion.
Oh, there. Look at that. Very nice. Here, I'll take that one for you. Thank you.
And Bruno Fernando.
Very nice.
I think there's another one of those fake cards in here. Like, oh,
Fillers.
no, there actually isn't. It's just a big pack. Carl Anthony Towns,
Mm-hmm.
Jalen Lecque, rookie. Julius
Randall.
Randall. So
Careful.
silver.
Mm-hmm.
Pascal Siakam, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Nazir Little,
Yep.
rookie.
Good job. Sam's
Alright.
turn.
Well, this is a big pack. I think it's a die cut. Not a die cut.
Die cut.
Die
It's a
cut.
small.
This pack, I don't think it's a die cut. Not even a filler.
Sam's melting down. A couple days of being in the house with no school and nothing to do.
Shea Gilgeous Alexander.
Yep.
Oh no, no way. Gosh.
Who's that? Is it Tyler Hero?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Tyler Hero pack.
Hold it up so I can. Very nice.
looks
Cool
like
patch.
Gucci.
Tie dye. What's the? Is it numbered on the back?
Yeah, it's 25. No, 23 out of 25.
That's very good. Here, I'll hold that
I
one.
don't want.
No.
I got Ben Simmons,
Tricolor. Yep.
tricolor. Domantas Sabonis
Yep.
and Daniel Gafford.
Very good. Jules.
That is not a filler. Zach Novell Jr.
Mm-hmm.
rookie. Luka Johnson, however you say.
Yep. Sounds good.
Right?
not your night,
No.
as your friend Mark Cabrera would say.
Tyler Hero rookie. So
Yep. Here, I'll put that over here as well. Just
Anthony Davis.
Yep.
Ja Morant rookie.
Very nice.
Alright. Oh, that was a nice pack except for that one filler. I hate that. I hate the fillers. So I have Ty Jerome.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. No.
of Keldon Johnson.
Well, hold it. I can't see it when you've got it over there, goofball.
Keldon Johnson
Yeah.
signed.
Patch.
Pascal Siakam,
Silver.
silver.
Yep.
Aaron Gordon.
Yep.
And Jaren Jackson Jr.
There you go. All right, Joel's turn.
Cam Reddish rookie.
Yep. Nice.
Jason Tatum.
That's cool.
Carl Anthony Towns, blue.
Very nice.
RJ Barrett rookie.
Very nice.
Jalen Noel rookie.
Very nice. Maybe you'll have one pack with no filler in
I
it.
think it's this one.
Yeah.
Look at how thick that one is. And there
You don't think it's a filler?
I hope not.
So I have Nikola Jokic,
Mm-hmm.
Jamal Murray.
Yep.
Donovan Mitchell.
Yep.
Is a number, no, it's not numbered. Blake Griffin
Mm-hmm.
and Derrick Rose.
Very nice. Jules?
I'll save the biggest one for last.
Okay.
CJ McCollum,
Mm-hmm.
Chris Middleton.
Yep.
Russell Westbrook. It's like silverish.
Yep.
Cam Reddish rookie. And Bol rookie.
Very nice. Jules is getting a lot of rookies tonight. Just a lot of filler cards to go with them.
So I have Quindary Weatherspoon,
Mm-hmm.
Jackson Hayes,
Mm-hmm.
Chris Paul,
That's cool. Tricolor.
tricolor, Jarrett Culver,
Yep.
and CQ Daboyo.
Nailed it.
No.
Is that your last pack?
Yeah.
Okay.
That-
Jules?
I'm not saying it.
Is it a filler?
I'm not saying it.
Okay.
I'm not saying if it is or it isn't.
All right. Careful opening that pack.
Eric Pascal rookie.
Mm-hmm.
Alonzo Trier
Mhm.
patch.
Very nice.
Grant Williams rookie silver.
Very nice.
Michael McCollum I don't know how to say it.
Show me the card. Jules
Malcolm.
just milk.
I wrote it down.
Malcolm Brogdon.
Dylan.
Dylan.
Okay. Dylan.
Windler.
Oh my god.
All right. Hey, we appreciate everyone
Yep.
tuning in.
That's like my third rookie.
I'm sure we'll have some more of these videos posted in the near future, but that was fun. Mark Chiquette,
Yep.
thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
a couple of cool packs of Dream Team cards.
Yep.
A fun box of Select. We had a pretty sweet, we got a Zion base, a Job base, that Tyler Hero tie-dye patch out of 25. So pretty good pack and a whole bunch of other bases. So what do we say, guys?
Bye, guys. Like and subscribe.
Hope everyone stays healthy, and we'll be back on in the next few days. Good night.